Ah! Watersheds are the lowest point in the area that all rivers and streams flow into. Water gets into the watershed from magical falling sky liquids, which land directly in lakes or in the land near rivers or lakes, which eventually flow into the watershed. Groundwater is what the red arrow is pointing to, and surface water is what the blue arrow is pointing to. Porosity is the amount of pores, otherwise known as holes, in a layer, which allows water to pass through. The reason that the water is going underneath the Play-Doh is because the Play-Doh has very small pores, so it has a very low porosity, which does not allow any water to pass through. Permeable ground layers allow water to pass through it, like the gravel, but unlike Play-Doh and sand, which do not allow water to pass through it. Point source pollution is where the pollutants are dumped directly into the water, and non-point source pollution is where the pollutants are dumped near the water, which eventually work their way down into the river. That straw is a well in which we used to pull out water to see if it had any pollutants in it, in which it did. See how it has a little hinge of red in it? That means that any water joined to that body of water that we pulled the pollutants out of can no longer be used as safe water. In this presentation, you learn about watersheds, pollution, permeable and impermeable ground layers, and porosity. I hope you enjoyed.